This is an ORMAP Tools Task demonstration. We're going to combine tax lots using the ArcPro merge tool. Our task has 3 steps. We are going to use it to merge tax lots 3300 and 3400. We want to keep the tax lot attributes for 3300. The first thing we're going to do is create a record. We're going to enter basic record information like the name, the type, the source type, etc. We are then going to do the second step, which is to select the parent tax lots. And then we are actually going to use the merge tool. When we use the merge tool, we will use the options to select a new feature and create original features. And then we will select tax lot 3300 to ensure we keep its attributes. The result of this task is that tax lot 3300 will be active current and comprise the area of both tax lots 3300 and 3400, with the source and source type updated from the record information, and the map area will be updated. The tax lot retired by record layer will have gained 2 records for both tax lot 3300 and 3400, the parents, and the tax lot line retired by record layer will have gained 1 record for the split line. Finally, the canceled number table will have gained a record for tax lot 3400. So let's try that. So I've opened up the task ORMAP workflow tool, and I'm going to execute it by pressing the arrow. I then am prompted to enter my record information. This could be the name of the deed, whatever you want. I then could select my record type. It's going to be a combine. I'm going to grab my source. This could be the book and page, could be the same name as the task. I then am going to select a document type. I could select other information as well. I'm then going to create my record. And the next step is to select my parents. So I'm going to select my 2 parents, select next, and that brings up the merge tool. Within the merge tool, I have selected the new feature option, the keep original features option. I'm not using the template, and I'm highlighting tax lot 3300. This will grab all of the attributes for tax lot 3300. At this point, it's going to execute merge. It is now finished doing that. The task is closed, and what you can see is the outlined in blue is the new tax lot 3300. If I click on the historic information, the historic tax lot will contain 2 records, and the historic tax lot line in red is the split line. If I go and open up the attributes for tax lot 3300 that I've just newly created, what you can see is, in addition to keeping the tax lot number, 3300, it has also updated the map area, which is now 0.32 acres, the map acres, sorry. Source has been updated, and the source type has been updated. And finally, if I go to the canceled number table and open it, a record has been added to this particular table for tax lot 3400 because it is now no longer exists on this map. Of course, tax lot 3300 has not been added as it still exists on the map. Now that the fabric components of the map are up to date, we can use other tools to update the annotation. I'm going to first turn off and set various things that I can see, select and edit. I'm going to turn off my tax lot parcels. I'm going to select then some of my annotation and delete it. Update other annotation. Use copy and paste to copy my now historic line from the historic tax lot lines layer using paste special. And I'm going to paste it into the reference lines for a historical boundary. Let's say yes. I wanted to paste that feature. I'm going to end the modify features command. I'm going to clear my selection, and I'm going to turn off my historic lines, and you can see now my map has been updated and is ready for publishing.